Hey everybody, welcome back to DIY with Daysha and doTERRA. And today, I know that we're kind of in a different setting, but just don't mind the cars. Our house is really messy right now. I have no place to film. But I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the very last drop out of your essential oil bottles and how to upcycle the bottles after you're done. So this is actually really simple, and I very much suggest this because this is a great way to upcycle your bottles and to get the very last drop out of like pretty much any oil bottle. So basically, you're just gonna get a jar and you're going to pour a little bit. You're gonna pour your Epsom salt into your jar. I'm just gonna do it over here, just a little bit. And this is basically just gonna make a salt. And if it's like a light oil, like maybe like Serenity or lavender or balance or oils, kind of like that, more like light oils, you can put this in your bath with you, make like a little salt. But if they're like a little bit more like, you shouldn't really put them on your skin, kind of like this wild orange that I have here, then you can just, I'm putting it in the jar now, and then I'm gonna fill it up to the top with the Epsom salt. So when it's like not a very good oil to put on your skin, or you can put it, basically you just run your wash like normal, and then you just take your Epsom salt and you put like, I don't know, like a handful of it, like 4 tablespoons about, that much, into your Sorry, the cars are very annoying. But just put that into your wash with your soap and all your stuff, and it kind of helps defunk, and it's a natural fabric softener without having to put all those chemicals and stuff like that. So I'm just going to finish filling this up. And then, yeah, you can use like any oil bottle for this. Any oil, any blend, pretty much anything. We have like so much, what are they called? Like little bottles like this, and we use it like so much. We do this all the time. So basically, now I'm just gonna kind of shake it just a little bit, and then you just let it sit, and all the oil will come out. And then when you're done, and you like use a lot of your salt, or you can even just take it out when you're done, you have something like this, and then you'll have your bottles in here. And so then how you can upcycle it is you just rinse this out. Sorry, I can't show you right now, but you just rinse it out, and then you can use this as like you can put your blends in here, do the sprays, like you can even put the spray that I just made in my last DIY in here, and you can, what is it called? Yeah, you can like transfer oils, so like that like you don't want to buy 2 lemon oils, but you need 1 lemon in your kitchen and 1 lemon in your bathroom. You could put half of it in this. Like these, you could upcycle this in so many ways, shapes and forms. So I definitely suggest doing this, because or else your bottles are just gonna go to waste. And yeah, we try to do as much as we can upcycle, and here's the last bit of oil. Sometimes it's hard since we have so much. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next week with a new DIY, hopefully.